It enforces all traffic laws and regulations to ensure the safety of motorists and pedestrians and attain orderly traffic. A. Civil Relations Unit. B. Traffic Operations Center. C. Traffic Management Unit. D. Aviation Security Unit. Answer C. Traffic Management Unit. A method of collecting information wherein the investigator merely uses his different senses. A. Observation. B. Casing. C. Research. D. Interrogation. Answer A. Observation. In stationary surveillance, the following must be observed except A. Never met subject face to face. B. Avoid eye contact. C. Recognize fellow agent. D. If burnt out, drop subject. Answer C. Recognize fellow agent. The police are considered servants of the community. A. Continental theory. B. Home rule theory. C. Confederate theory. D. Anglo-Saxon theory. Answer B. Home rule theory. Policemen are considered servants of a higher authority. A. Continental theory. B. Home rule theory. C. Confederate theory. D. Anglo-Saxon theory. Answer A. Continental theory. It is the right to direct, command, and control the behavior of the employees by the senior officer by virtue of rank and position. A. Coordination. B. Doctrine. C. Authority. D. Consultation. Answer C. Authority. It defines an unbroken chain or scale of units from top to bottom, describing explicitly the flow of authority. A. Span of control. B. Principle of unity of objective. C. Principle of organizational efficiency. D. Scalar principle. Answer D. Scalar principle. This relates to the number of subordinates a superior can effectively supervise. A. Delegation of authority. B. Unity of command. C. Span of control. D. Scalar principle. Answer C. Span of control. It is the hierarchy through which the primary functions of the organization are performed. A. Delegation of authority. B. Unity of command. C. Span of control. D. Chain of command. Answer D. Chain of command. It defines a hierarchical system in which a subordinate is accountable to one and only one immediate superior. A. Delegation of authority. B. Unity of command. C. Span of control. D. Chain of command. Answer B. Unity of command.